When you receive a class request, it comes by email. You check all the details, and then you click on the link inside the email to go to the website. In the website, you go to Pending Classes page. You have to confirm the class. Once the class is confirmed, it moves to Upcoming Classes page. It contains all the classes that you have confirmed. So, in case you received a class request and went to Pending Classes and did not find the class, it means that another tutor has taken it. In the case the class was a broadcast and you found it in Pending Classes, once you confirm, the class will remain in Pending Classes page until the learner confirms or accepts the tutor. Only then your class will move to Upcoming Classes. When you enter Classroom, a check screen will appear to check the browser, the speed, and even the headset and microphone. If everything is okay, the check screen will be removed. You then have to start class and wait for the learners to join. You can use a lot of variety of tools in the whiteboard, like you can upload a PDF file, manipulate this PDF file, draw, write, and even type a text on it. All the files are downloadable during and after the class. You can use the drag tool on the right to move it up and down. You can even swipe between pages. In addition to a lot of other tools. When the class ends, you will receive a review screen. You need to submit this review. It will be sent to the learner and to InstaClass administration. Once approved, your wallet will be topped up. So the review is essential for your credit or for your wallet to be topped up.